katawan.
Oh, jeez.
Bakit mahirap?
Well, kasi we don't have the proper nutrients.
Talaga?
Oh, we need meat. A lot of meat.
Kailangan natin ng meat.
Oh.
Para lumaki ang katawan.
Oh. Thought you just want to get lean, like Slater.
Ano yun, Lin?
Lean, you know, para makita ang muscles mo.
Ayun, may ano na yung
Oh, don't eat rice.
Carla, did you get yours?
Hindi pa.
Kain na lang. Pero mamaya
a lot
din.
of fat mass.
Kahit fat lang mo, tapos konting hubog ng
Oh,
muscle.
sige, lean. Lean.
Bread ito. Ay, sorry.
Salamat. Gusto mo?
Gusto ko.
Binigyan ko kay Tin kasi. Malay mo, the food I give Tin, make galing-galing.
Make me fat.
No, hindi. Make
That's
galing.
how she gained those 2 kilos.
Make galing of paa.
Parang di na kaya to ng tatlo.
I'm happy watching Tin. Habang happy na ako. In love todo. Super in love.
Really?
Ligaw? Ano mo yung ligaw?
Oh, alam ko yan.
Naliligaw na, naliligaw.
Yeah, at first I thought, when I heard that, I thought it meant shower. Ligaw.
Ligaw?
Ligawin ko siya. Like, why would you give her a bath?
When?
A long time ago.
Mapasa na ako.
Pwede.
Pwede na? Pwede, yes!
Pwede ice cream.
Sabay ba ako? Pero at least, nakatatak na sa isip ko, nasa mind ko na, pwede daw, pwede. Hindi na mababaw. Alam ko siyempre may camera eh. Bawal ibulog. Okay, anong po yung thing? Kapag ganala, pagkalabas natin dito, punta kita sa inyo. Di ba po? Ayoko na po ikaw tawagin tita eh. Kasi po masama. Po na lang po. Di ba po?
Sino naman nagsabi masama dito?
Hindi, baka maging masama. Huwag na. Baka maging... Di ba po?
No, I finished mine. I mean, I'll eat it again, but...
Anong oras na
Kung po kayo
kaya?
mag-alala, alagaan ko positive.
Anong oras na kaya?
Standing or laying down?
Laying down.
Standing.
Standing's better if I'm just doing the outline, but the rest will be laying down. Because you guys will be moving a lot.
Yeah.
And it's supposed to be like an art piece.
So, how long are you think you're gonna take with me?
I don't know. It's not going to be perfect. It's like
Is it
rough.
like paint?
Yeah, rough painting. I don't like it when it's neat unless it's perfect.
Like how we did for the mermaid thing?
No, that's not me at all.
Tumaba ka mo sa
It's like going to be dark.
Oh, okay, cool.
Hindi
Yeah.
mo babago.
Like a lot of tone.
Yeah?
That's fine. Wait lang po siya.
As long as I get to take a bath afterwards.
Yeah. And plus, Slaters won't be painting.
I thought they were...
Yeah.
I'll wait for you girls.
Talaga?
Yeah, and
Talaga?
Slater and Big L will be helping me, so it won't be so
Slow.
messy.
Messy? Huh? What?
When we painted him,
I'm just saying I'll wait for you guys.
Mapanood ka ni Papa mo.
Yeah.
Hanggang si Papa mo, nalagaan talaga ni Biggles.
It's gonna be more.
Yeah. You better make
Kasi I
it
promise to myself pala.
Because that was just face paint.
Yeah, no, that's
Promise to
it's the same
myself
stuff.
na...
Yeah, but that one we were just
Natakot
playing
pa sa
around.
dad ko, mas matakot pa sa
Yeah,
mom
that
ko.
one's fair.
Ba, really?
Kuya said, I hope
Okay.
one day your
Yung mom
art
ko
will
mas
be
ano eh.
worth something. It's like, yeah.
Meet your mom later.
Oh, man.
Wala po yung nagawang masama!
Ano mga Yeah.
Bait mom ko.
I'm scared that...
I like
Parang
meeting
ako lang
parents.
yan.
Ha?
I like
One
meeting
more
parents.
kid.
Ako ka ba?
Ka pa?
Because, alam mo, pero mabait naman eh.
One more kid.
Basta paglabas na lang sabihin ko.
And
Lahat ng mga nangyayari. Sugar? Is this all the sugar?
Yeah.
How are we supposed to have a sugar high?
Ubos ito.
I already have my sugar, so you should eat your sugar. Yeah, do it!
No way! You kidding me?
Do it! You need the fat.
Yeah, I know, but that's bad fat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yung mangga pati pala yun.
This is food
Bad
filled full of sugar.
Yung mangga dyan yun.
You want mango?
Mango dipped in sugar.
Ikaw talaga.
Plain mango.
No,
Okay,
mango
bigyan sa kanila yung dalawa.
I love just mango by itself.
I love. No, but it's not.
Nililigaw ko nga
Yeah, it's not ripe yet.
How's it not ripe? It looks
Yesterday I ate
Well,
this
nililigaw
food
ko,
and it was
ano?
like,
sour.
Yeah.
Oh, I hate that.
yeah,
Yung
super,
ano?
super bitter.
I can't stand sour food.
Sour
I'll
fruit.
spit it right out.
Really?
You know, the most sour I could eat is sinigang.
Kuya, thank you po
I'll
sa
smell
lahat.
it. Let me
Ngayon ko
smell
lang po nalaman na... Thank you.
It's good.
Masarap pre talaga ice cream ko. Agaw ko kayo na marami pag marunong na ako.
Sige, paano?
Doon, magaling kayo.
Hindi. Grab it.
Pwede kaya? Dalhin yun. Grabe, naubos ko.
Ang ulti
Like,
lang ang
that's not
binawa
hard to
dyan.
believe.
I think this one's okay.
She's not moving.
No, like the mangoes, you're right. The mangoes I usually eat are orange.
Yeah, yellowy.
The biggest gainer.
These ones are like really, they don't smell.
2 pounds pa lang yung gain ko.
You gain 2 pounds or 2 kilos?
Ano ibig sabihin ng gain?
Gain, umabak na.
Ah, to
Kasi hindi na siya gumagalaw eh. Kaupo lang pa. Always like this.
It's cold!
Basahan mo ako! Biga! Biga! Bigoy! Bawal mo yung nililigaw! Sabi ni Rose? You sure?
Nililigaw!
Hyper with me.
Let's make
Yeah, that's good sugar high.
Let's make frozen coffee.
Because!
Don't.
Thank you, Keegan!
Welcome.
Put this back!
It's so cute.
Sa'yo na yan, hinihingi ko yan, idirek eh.
You're giving him ideas.
Di ba?
He likes it.
Di magnakaw, humingi
He
lang.
likes it.
You want to
Right?
again?
Yeah, later. After we.
Later.
How's your butt?
My lower back hurts.
See you later.
Alligator.
It's later.
Yeah.
See you later, Slater.
Hindi na ako mag-dinner ata.
Hindi masarap talaga. Bukas nila yung isang... Bukas tomorrow, iwan na yung aking bread, 2 bread, tapos 1 banana. Basta pre, yung banana, yung mga agad-taking.
No, you need it too. I'll give Steve my banana. You need the banana.
No, may banana na lang.
Alright, fine. You give your banana, I'll give you my banana. There.
What? Where's my banana?
I'll give you half of it then. Get your head out of the gutter.
Kasi kailangan ni Tino. Alagaan ko daw to, sabi ko sa sarili.
Oh, gagawin mong manok.
Patabain mo. Patabain.
Hindi.
Or like,
Oh my god,
in a
can we
bigger
go,
scale.
when we get out of here, let's go on a double date. Yeah?
Yes!
With my girlfriend.
Yes!
and you. Yeah?
Anong tawag yung magandang ano?
Double date.
Double date.
Magandang
This
ano
is
yan?
friends.
Ano?
This is friends.
Good idea!
It's friends lang. I'll go with my girlfriend as a friend.
Yan.
Yeah, you can go with him as a friend.
Paglabas ko naman dito, ikaw kagad naman ang una kong apon.
I found my own friend.
Paano? Parang Carlo, paglabas ko dito, ikaw naman kagad naman kong apon. Tapos kila parang.
Oh. We have a lot of friends you can introduce.
Yeah, I'm sure a lot of my friends would like you. So my sister, maybe.
Since she looks like...
Yeah,
What she look
right?
like again? Who does she look like? Her, probably. No. We said a
looks like
celebrity.
my mom.
No, we talked about a celebrity.
Sometimes she looks like Jessica
Oh,
Alba.
there you go. Done.
Sometimes.
Done.
Yeah, because she has big lips, like. But she doesn't have titties, and you like titties.
She's got...
She's the small boobies. She's got a butt, yeah.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Yeah, I don't have a butt.
No, just kidding.
It's so nice.
Manga.
Hindi, banana.
Mamalus.
I have your part. I have your part. Thank you, ah. Wow. Probably my last dinner now.
Oh, later. Is your last.
Stack one ito.
Dude, you would have gotten so angry at me if you would have watched me eat mine.
Why?
So much
How
sugar.
come I missed
I
that?
had a whole bun of ice cream on top, sandwich, and then another bread, and then banana.
A lot of bread?
Sugar. Yeah, all of us are getting sugar high.
Oh my goodness.
No, just you.
No, you said you were going to.
Not yet. We're getting there.
Come on.
Ba't naman pula-pula yung mukha?
Huh?
Ba't yung face mo yung pula-pula like
Right?
yung...
So good.
pagkakainan mo ko?
Try it.
I don't like sugar.
Ano?
Sugar.
Baday yung program.
Sugar.
Hindi
Strict than my
Ano yung kulit?
diet, huh?
Makulit.
No
Yung kulit
sugar.
ka. Basta siya na yun.
I will add this service. I will.
Yeah, you're gonna dip it. Go ahead. I know you're gonna do it. You might as well do it.
Oo nga, yeah. Kanina pa kaya?
Yay, thank you.
Diba you made this? Dayan?
Kami yun, yes, kumalagyan mo pa ng purpose.
Alright.
Like banana mama.
I love it. I love it.
Very which one do you like?
Finishing the sugar.
Doya.
They're getting our drug. Can I get the sugar?
Pindot mo lahat. Everything.
Celebi butter. What is this?
Thank you for passing the sugar.
Ice cream?
No, on purpose cream. Meron ba? On purpose.
Yeah. Get from here if you like. Which one is yours?
May purpose cream and
Meron pa sa fridge.
may milk.
Any?
Food trip or the...
Bones, banana and...
It's so good. Like I'm
We
in a
made
time.
parang syrup.
Mamalos yung ice cream.
You want some?
Baka...
Thank you.
Baka may
Cream.
kuha
You don't like? No, thank you. Good.
Hello. Yo. Sarap.
Ako yung lagi din ako dahil
You know what?
Good,
I don't
no,
even
Mama.
care.
With
It's
the
my
cream,
rest day
with the
today.
syrup.
Thank you
Bring it on.
Thank you so much, guys.
Bring it on. It's my rest day.
There's mango.
Else, you're a sour.
Mango. Full on mango.
Who wants more?
Hey, workout.
It's
Uy,
so
workout.
good.
Bawal yan, bawal.
Did you put cream
Okay
in
sa
it?
akin.
Akin bawal.
Oh.
It's so
the best dito.
good. What?
So this is what happens. Yeah,
I've been
and you have
imagining
nothing to
this
do.
kanina.
Put banana on
The
it.
first, it's like,
In it. I'll
ano ba tawag
Malagyan
dito?
mo.
Afternoon group.
Di ba sa bahay?
Sito, gusto
Sa
mo?
looban?
Tubig
Wala
ko.
tayong ganito. We only
have
have
this.
the full day.
Only 8 mong room.
Oh my God.
Ang dami!
Sarap with the cream, no?
Why do you put sugar in it?
She wants
What's
me
the
to get high.
dapat?
on
You're gonna
sugar.
get fat. It's a lot of calories.
It's okay, Mama.
I need to get fat.
Today is the fat day.
Where's my fat day?
Every day is
I
Today
made
is fat day. Tomorrow
Ayan,
we'll work out. Starting on 9. No, eat it, please.
Why you have this in here?
No, no.
I'm starting on my rice lang.
You won't even notice it.
Ayoko na.
We need some for coffee.
Gusto ko
Gosh,
talaga.
I need to
Alam
go.
mo, savor siya.
Yung kain.
Oh my god. So you put so much
Na
sugar.
nag-init. Pero okay na. Masaya na yan. Matikman niya na yung ice cream.
Oh.
Gunin mo ito.
Some of the
My cheat day.
It's
My cheat day.
Ano ito? Banana?
banana and syrup. That's so good. Sugar syrup.
Banana
Rest
syrup.
is-
Banana and syrup.
Best combination.
Ah, dito dati.
Serious? Mama Luz, tell Carla how good it is.
Really good.
Five.
Banana naman namin. I love it.
Ay,
Can we have
kinalaga ako talaga.
all-purpose cream as a
Sabi
steak?
sa akin.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sabi Nino.
Wala.
Sabi Nino na.
Wala kami sabi.
Sugar, water.
Basta sa paglaba.
Basta yung sugar. 2:1.
Nagpasalamat ka sa paglaba.
2 na,
Hindi kita
dalawa
pinagawa.
yung sugar. Tapos isa yung water, tapos banana. It's good.
Yes, it's amazing. Thank you.
Yeah, all-purpose cream.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Talaga?
Oh yeah.
Ano nangyari?
You're gonna fall asleep after this, aren't you?
I just slept.
You always
That's a secret.
Hindi, gusto pang sainin.
Might as well.